In this video, we will create a delicious fall pumpkin pancakes. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, a quarter teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon ground ginger, a quarter teaspoon ground nutmeg, a quarter teaspoon ground cloves, which is optional, 3/4 cup milk or non-dairy milk of your choice, half a cup pumpkin puree, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter or oil for a dairy-free option, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and butter or oil for cooking. Mix the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. Mix the wet ingredients. In another bowl, whisk together the milk, pumpkin puree, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract until smooth. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. The batter should be slightly lumpy. Preheat your pan. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Lightly grease it with butter or oil. Cook the pancakes. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface of the pancakes and the edges look set, about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip and cook the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Serve your pumpkin pancakes warm with maple syrup, whipped cream, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. You can also top them with chopped pecans or a dollop of butter for extra flavor. Tips: for a little extra texture, consider adding some chocolate chips or chopped nuts to the batter. Dairy-free option: use almond milk or another non-dairy milk and substitute oil for the butter. Enjoy your delicious fall-inspired pumpkin pancakes. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.